Here's how to recover TikTok messages. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, you have to do is to open your TikTok app, and now here first I delete my TikTok message, and then tap on your profile icon and tap on the 3 line which is at top corner of the screen. Now click on settings and privacy at the bottom. Here you will tap on account. Now you'll see an option download your data, just tap on that. Now you have to wait for a while. Now right here it will show you all the data you will be able to copy from TikTok, and also you have to select a file format, and once you are done just tap on request data, which is the pink big bubble. Now after you do that it will show you that the request is being processing. Now what you can do is you can just slide to the download data which is at the very top. Now you'll be able to see that your data is being pending, and it might take up to 4 days for you to get the data. You might be able to find all of your data, including your profile activity log and including your messages.